In this video, I will show you a really cool feature of blend tool that's just really mesmerizing. So make sure to stay tuned because it's coming right up. Hello everyone, this is Muneeb from Design with Muneeb. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time over here, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Now, let's open up Adobe Illustrator and fast forward to where I have created a document. Now, let's just set the fill to a gradient and let's set the stroke to none. Now, in the gradient, I have a preset here and I'm going to just edit that to look like a toothpaste color, basically. I don't know how does a toothpaste looks like, so let's just forget I said anything about toothpaste. Let's just make this with any random gradient. So I have a gradient. Let's just make a circle. Let's just make a gradient on this. Let's make sure that the gradient is really soft. So after the first gradient has been set, I'm gonna just make a copy and move it over there. I'm gonna just edit this as a disc gradient, play around with the colors, everything, just make sure they're simple, easy, and yeah, that's right about that. I'm gonna make sure this is a similar color. So once both of these gradients have been edited, I'm gonna centralize that now. And now I'm gonna use the blend tool. I have set the spacing to smooth color, make a blend between them. So for some reason my smooth color isn't working, so I have set my specified sets to 100 and this is working like a charm. Now most of people use blend tool and leave it just like this. Now they can use for the blend between transform, shapes and position and colors like I've used, but they miss on the jackpot. Now for creating a 3D toothpaste like something, now we can just make a path with pen tool, rather simple path. I'm gonna just set its fill to none and I'm gonna select the path and the blend path. Now I'm gonna go over to object, blend and hit replace spine. So it works a little bit like this. Now it looks wonderful, and what I did in mistake, it's looking really cool. One of those vacuum cleaners, the type of the vacuum cleaners, it's something like this. I really love them, but if you want to change them, you just go over to the blend tool and just change the steps. Moreover, you can just use the smooth color. So basically this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then make sure to leave a like on the video. If you loved it, then make sure to subscribe. Check out other awesome content on the channel. This has been Muneeb, and until then, see you later.